The 2021 State of DevOps Report released last year. It contained findings about how teams navigate key areas of software delivery. We talked to two of the researchers, Dave Stanke and Nathen Harvey, about the report section on SRE. Were there any surprising findings in the report?
So I was surprised to see how widespread SRE practices are. It's often been kind of believed that this is something that's limited to the Googles of the world or Facebook with their production engineering discipline, which is similar to SRE. What we found is that 52% of the organizations we studied are practicing SRE techniques to some extent. At the same time, there's a lot of room for growth. Among our elite respondents, only 10% of them are practicing every reliability engineering technique at its fullest. So everyone has room to grow.
What did the site reliability engineering section of the report focus on?
So this year, for the first time, Dora studied site reliability engineering, or SRE, and we looked at what practices are being done among operations teams in our study and what kind of outcomes they're achieving as a result.
SRE is site reliability engineering. In my mind, it always starts with that word reliability. What does it mean to be reliable? At the end of the day, reliability is about whether or not your customers can trust the service that they're getting from your applications or from the services that you're building.
What did you find separates elite teams from the rest?
So the best teams are the ones that are really treating reliability as a product feature, as an aspect of their experience of what they're delivering to the user, and prioritizing it accordingly. We find that it really helps to define reliability in terms of user-facing behavior. We don't want to look at how do our machines feel? Do their processors overloaded? Is their memory full? That may be important operational data, but it doesn't define whether our system is reliable for our users. So with SRE and what the highest performers do is they look at it to say, is our system delivering on behalf of what the user is expecting? Is it serving the user need? And then we use frameworks like the SLO framework to operationalize that so that we can measure in real time the degree to which we are keeping up with our promises to the user.
How can teams start implementing these practices?
The best way to apply these findings is to first figure out where are you as a team. So get your team together. Get the people that are responsible for building the application, for running the application, bring them together in a room, and together take the Dora DevOps Quick Check. You'll find that at cloud.google.com/DevOps. With this quick check, you answer 5 quick questions and really help assess how is my team doing today. With this information in hand, you can then start to look at the capabilities that are going to improve that performance. And of course, we'll provide some guidance on what those capabilities are and where you should get started next improving your team.
What would you say is the core idea of this section of the report?
The biggest takeaway is that you don't have to trade off speed for stability. Speed and stability work hand in hand together. So the most important thing that you can do is think about the users of your service and make sure that you're delivering the right value in a reliable way to them.